Today we'll discuss on lessons which I knew earlier before development. Hi, if you're new to my channel, my name is Angelica Odo, and if you click the video, thank you for clicking, and do well to like and do well to subscribe. So today we're going to talk about lessons which I knew earlier before development. Let's dive in. Practice daily. Practice daily is very important for you as a beginner and as an expert. So being a beginner, then when I started, I kept from coding for like 2 weeks, 3 weeks, and this was really frustrating when I come back, because sometimes when I come back I need to relearn what I was taught. Like I need to go back again and search again. How did they do this? How did they do that again? It was like a wall apart, as if I've never learned it before. So I advise you that if you actually have things to do, or you're occupied with something but you still want to be a developer, you should practice daily. If you are having issues, maybe your PC or something came up, watch a video, whether a downloaded coding video or a YouTube tutorial to learn, so that you cannot forget what you have spent a while learning and it went off because you were not consistent or you were not practicing daily. So do well to practice daily. Next one is ask question when you are stuck. Whenever you are stuck, share your little crazy and dummy questions and free yourself from being stuck. Ask a question, you won't be bite. So no one will bite you if you ask any question, even if it's crazy, it's dummy, it's a dumb question. No one will bite you. Just ask and free yourself from stuff. This is what I generally did when I started. I refused to ask questions, even though it was in my mouth to ask. I am a kind of very shy, but I have healed myself from that. I cannot asking questions to ask. I'm sucking it in myself because I don't want to. No. So you need to ask whenever you're getting stuck. Don't spend days. Don't kill it too much on your head. People have solved that your problem, so you can ask the community for help, or ask your fellow colleagues, or your tutor if you have a tutor, or in a community. That's why it's good to join a developers community, so that when you have some stock in your stock, you just ask question. Definitely you get a help. No question is crazy, even though it's a little question. It's not crazy, it's not dumb. So ask. You won't be bite. Don't be stuck in one place. This is one thing I did. I was mostly focused on being effectively understanding responsive web design, which made me very stuck for a very long time. I don't even know what came over. I was just looking at it, doing the same thing. So guys, why I did this, because I was stuck in understanding some concepts, which I had to refer people, like I said before, ask questions that healed me from being stuck. So whenever you're stuck in one place for more than 2 days or a week, even if it's small, as I said previously, small or a little or a dumb question, just ask, so that you can move fast and rapid and smoothly, and less depression. Because when I'm stuck in a code for like a month or a week, I get depressed. Like, what am I doing? I somehow always cry. I always cried in one of my code that didn't run. It's very funny, but it was very annoying then. So whenever you're getting stuck for 2 days, ask a community you join, or ask somebody you tutor, and they will answer you. Yes, they will. research on your field. I ignored research. I thought research was not important, not even needed. Why will I be researching on my screen? Why will I research? I want to do web development. Let me just do it now. Well done. Well done. This was me then. So you cannot just come into a space, call you want to become, maybe you want to be a mobile dev, or like me, I was a web dev, a mobile dev, and you want to move like that without researching. It will make you think, it will make you be limited. When I mean limited, it means you will not know much than just the word I just want to be. I just want to be is just a word, but the being needs actions, and it's good for you to research on your field. Research what is trending, what people are using, why are they using it, which one should I start using, which one should I be constantly using, which one should I really practice on, which one should I focus on. Because there are a lot of languages in the development field, and people are given options to pick any. You want to pick PHP, you want to pick Django, you want to pick Kotlin, or any language you want to speak. So research on your field so that you can identify, okay, if I'm done learning HTML, CSS, I really need to effectively learn JavaScript, and when I'm done learning JavaScript effectively, I really need to necessarily learn React and understand React properly, and TypeScript. I need to get those things. So you need to research on these things so that it can help you to know that as you're doing a particular stuff, guy, you are not, that stuff is not just okay, because the world of tech ecosystem is really wild and a lot is required. So you need to not just be stuck in maybe mobile responsive. Try much and research on about how the flow of your platform, your track, or your stack look like. Do more of implementations. I need not implementations because I feel it was just why would I be, I didn't really get the echo, like the, I don't know, I was already scared of development, but I didn't really implement. I didn't even really done much implementation, but I think lately I mostly did JavaScript implementations because I realized that if you're not implementing, don't call yourself a developer. Because I know that we have this normal logic that hi, write hello world, H1 hello world, you're a developer and we're good to go. But so I want you guys to focus on implementations as you understand the responsiveness, HTML, CSS, and if you're a web person, that's HTML, CSS, and you need to know how to navigate your JavaScript, know how to implement your JavaScript. As I said previously, understand how it works, research on how those JavaScripts work. Yeah. So learn more implementations. The normal raw code of HTML and CSS, that's what I've been doing. Like those days I've been stuck with mostly learning HTML and CSS. So being a developer is, you need to actually know how to implement. Yes, know how to work with languages like JavaScript, know how to work with React, like if you're a web dev. So practice and learn how to implement, because this is what makes you a developer. Next one, give yourself a time frame. A time frame is what I ignored because I feel I feel I will learn it. I don't need to give myself a time frame. I will learn it. I was very open to have that visualization that I will learn it. But I come to the space of like, don't say I will learn. Till now, I have not actually really gotten what I needed. Why? I didn't give myself a time frame. Say hello me. I need to use this particular month, maybe 3 months, 6 months. Don't let yourself fool. 6 months, 3 months, and master the skills effectively. And this is how I'll do it. This is my goal for it at the end. I have to contribute to open source. I have to contribute to open source. I have to earn this. I have to earn a job and get good paid. Just give a goal, because you know why a goal is important. Goal is important so that whenever you are feeling tired and weak, you say, I have a goal to achieve. Oh, let me wake up and do it. So imagine when you're doing a work for somebody and the goal is to pay you. Because of they say they'll pay you. Let me say they'll pay you, and you be like, no, I need to work. I need to give this person, deliver this product so that I can pay it. That's the goal. That money. Deliver it and they get the money. So give yourself a goal. Give yourself a goal. Give yourself a time frame, 6 months, 3 months, that I will effectively bring up this part in my track in my development circle. I will actually flow on it, and I will work on this project, and this is how I will go on about it. Give yourself a time frame and structure your learning process. This will help you to be productive and be disciplined, because if you don't give yourself, the development world is very funny, because I noticed this recently, that there are lots involved in development phase. So you need to give yourself an open space of learning fast and effectively. So give yourself a timeline, because this will help you to grow just as the tech ecosystem is growing constantly, so that you can also grow as a school. So give yourself a time frame, 3 months, 6 months. Give a goal, so that at the end of as structuring how the 3 months or 6 months will be, this is the goal at the end of. But guys, reading is real. It's good to read. It's good to read, because when you read, your brain gets sharper. It helps you to have this ideology of new things, get you to make your brain active. So you need to invest in reading and understanding the concepts of development. Read and celebrate little wins. You don't finish building a website. Buy biscuit for yourself. Buy juice, Chivita juice, and drink. Yes, buy juice. Buy chicken if it's what to make you happy. Little wins, everything you've accomplished. Maybe there's you can feel like, okay, I have done this and finally I've achieved this. Celebrate that little wins. Celebrate a little win. This might encourage you to work hard. This might not only, it's real encourage you to work hard. Imagine you chilling now. I need to do more of these things so that I can appreciate myself. It's just like taking yourself as a priority. You get? So every little thing you do what's clever for yourself. You have done very well. It's small, it's little, but it is worth doing than not doing. So appreciate yourself, your growth, how you've accomplished, how you've implemented the stuff, and this will put some smiles to your face that, guy, I'm doing this thing, I'm doing this, I'm working hard. Be patient. There are some people that are very fast in development. There are some people that are very dull. They are not fast. They are fast people in development that you can just wrap up some things, and there are people that are slow. Mainly can say maybe some things are hooking them down, but I want you guys to be patient to yourself. Any phase you're spending as a developer or as an aspiring developer, as a developer. So aspiring is not among as a developer. Keep pushing and put your mind to it. Sure, you achieve your development skills. I promise you, you will. Be patient. Just be patient, and be patient and be calm, and as you're being patient, try to reflect on the ways you can grow yourself speedily, because the development world needs you to do that, to work efficiently. Thank you guys for watching this presentation. Is it a presentation, Sha? My series. Do well to subscribe. I love you guys. Do well to like, do well to subscribe, and thank you for this and more coming up on my next video. Do well to like and subscribe. Bye for now. Gracias.